my, oh, it's blood?
No, it's not blood. It's like,
you sure it's not blood?
or something.
Ew,
No, it's not red.
show me the
See a
hole.
pube hair in the bathtub.
What? Pube hair in the bathtub.
Won't stay straight in the center. It just swings one way or the other. Gotcha.
Wait, you had to call the lady to find the thermostat, and where was it?
Duh, come on. Didn't you check behind this bookcase?
Are you serious?
Oh my goodness. We noticed that the chairs still have their tags on them from the store. And I noticed if you opened up the mirror in the bathroom, Ratchet.
So look at this.
Oh no.
So there's like hair sticking in it. Doesn't it look like someone's head like hit it and their hair got stuck in it?
Where's the hair?
Wait, like do you see it all?
Ew. Okay, the rug is literally cut. Made to fit. I mean, like, you can't even really tell that they cut it.
Tile missing.
Where? I mean, this is what started like the Ratchet. That looks so Ratchet. Plus also this, like.
You guys, these used to be there used to be doors and all these. They took them all off.
Nice house.
Wow. There's no handle on the fridge, but Katie found it.
Look into the title.
Yeah, that's the one I kicked over. Oh, yes. He's trying to fix
We're
it.
fixing things.
No, the thing is I was saying this house could be so much better if it's just updated just a little bit here and here. A little bit, Katie. And there and there.
Well, if they just
Everywhere?
put $100 into blinds.
Yeah. Or take the blinds out. Ratchet update.
We're realizing that we might be their first renters because how there's like new soap and new stuff everywhere, like not opened.
Well, like unopened tissue boxes.
And this is just Ratchet.
What's this? We drove up.
And wait, where is it? Leave a notes.
Wait, what is this
And
called?
This is an entry in their guest book.
That with the line paper. That's the guest book.
That's about to collapse.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
It's just a dead phone. And then this is in backwards of this bookshelf, and then there's random stuff.
That is a light thing. That's a light thing. A fixture. It looks like a candy ball, but
And
it's a
it's
light
just
thing.
really
I like the
random
picture, though.
stuff. Like what are these metal bars here for? So the clean towels that she was dropping off.
Are totally just out of the package. She's not very organized. She knew I'd been coming.
Look,
since
they're
January.
like crinkled, like just.
20-cent piece broke, so they just taped it on the wall.
They are from my.
We found an empty box of an air mattress, and we're trying to figure out which bed has the air mattress.
I like this shelving.
Yeah, it's so high. Like why?
No way. What?
A chip.
You have black hair.
Oh no.
It
And
was
look,
like
why
it
is there a
was
stain?
Ew.
You
Mom's
smell the
mom's
hair?
booking a hotel. Mom's booking a hotel.
Oh no.
And look at not to be too like.
What happened? There's another whole head. Whole head. And hair in the
there's
bed.
more hair in the bed.
Hair. Where's the squiggly straw?
Oh, look at the
Right
stain.
here.
Look at the
We already
stain.
saw the stain.
Right here.
Ew. It's like someone just
I
left.
don't even want to like think about putting my head on this.
It's frayed.
All of these little.
Ew, hair on you. Okay, show me the baby cut. Okay, suspicious red stain.
With let's look like
Lots
fingerprints.
of black hair.
Hair. Hair. Look at that. Look at that.
Ew.
It's like a property.
Ew. It's like totally not clean.
What you don't want to keep the house, right?
That's right. We also would like a full refund. We didn't sleep well last night at all. There's a lot of dirt and hair, and the house was not livable. It would not pass, anybody's standard.
That's the old house. If you see somewhere not clean, I can send the cleaning lady go there do again.
Well, the house was not listed the way that it was when we got here.
Older house. It's taking a break from the drama, craziness that is Canada and where to stay. Ratchet House had a party or something. Well, it was Canada Day, So someone must have rented this house and went crazy. You know, dirty sheets. Who knows what happened? Who knows?
Who knows what went on these beds?
Ew. Well, it is almost 11 and she was supposed to be here at 10:30. She's not here yet. We're getting mad.